Hey everybody, welcome back to the 5th episode of our Paint Defects series. My name is Kevin Ansell, application engineer from 3M. This episode is all about pigtails, or those little curly Q scratches that show up in your panel. We'll talk about what they are and how you can do to fix them. Before we get started, let's go over a few things. First, make sure you're always wearing your proper PPE whenever you're using any of these products. You'll notice today I'm wearing my safety glasses, my hearing protection. When I'm doing sanding, I'll be using my cut-resistant gloves, and when I'm using compounds and polishes, I'll wear my nitrile gloves. I also have a half-face respirator with organic vapor cartridges and a particulate filter. Second, this video is intended for occupational use only, like in a body shop or a paint shop. If you want more information, I posted the link to the safety and warranty information in the description below. Now let's get started. So when we talk about pigtails, those are those obnoxious scratches that might show up in your panel when you're using your 1500 or 2000 grit steps. It could show that the disc is starting to get towards the end of its life, or if there's any dirt or anything that's left on the surface that is getting captured by that disc as you're refining any defects. We call them pigtails or springs or curlicues because that's really what the imperfection looks like when it goes onto the panel. In the end, a pigtail is ultimately just a deeper scratch that's in the surface. So right when you see that pigtail start to form, you want to take that disc off, either clean the disc or switch out to a new one so that you're not continuing to have those deep scratches go across the entire surface of the panel. Switch out that disc, put on a fresh one, make sure that those pigtails are no longer there, and then you can carry on with the rest of the process. When I see these pigtails sitting here in the panel, I'm going to go over it again with our 2000 grit abrasive just to make sure that those pigtails are completely removed, you have the texture that you're trying to achieve, and then you can move on to our next step in the process. After those pigtails are removed, I'll use our 3000 grit abrasive with a little bit of water on the surface, and then I'll go through our compounding and polishing steps using our rubbing compound, machine polish, and ultrafine machine polish. So there we have it. All of our pigtails or curlicues have been completely eliminated. using our 2000 grit and then refined even further with our 3000 grit. I used a wool pad with our rubbing compound step to completely eliminate any of those 3000 grit scratches that are left behind. Refine those compound swirls even further with our machine polish and a black foam pad. And then I use our ultrafine machine polish with a blue pad to completely eliminate any of those swirls. We have a nice finish. Our panel area is ready to go. If you're doing this on a vehicle, it's ready to ship back to the customer. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment in the section below. Make sure to share and subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful and want to see more videos like it, make sure you check out 3M Collision Repair Academy. Thank you, until next time.